Welcome to UpTrade. At UpTrade, we've made it simple to turn your network into a real revenue stream through our partner program. Getting started is easy. Just head to our partnerships page and submit your application. Our team will review your details and get back to you within 48 hours. Once you're approved, our onboarding team sets you up with your personal referral dashboard. This is where everything lives: your unique referral link, real-time tracking, and full visibility into your conversions and earnings. From there, just share your link, post it on social media, send it through your newsletter, or share it with your community. And if you're already an UpTrade client, you can refer people personally too. Here's the exciting part. Every time your referrals trade with UpTrade, you earn. And the best part? There's no cap. Whether you're a content creator, an educator, run an engaged community, or simply want to refer a few people you know, the more your referrals trade, the more you earn. For life. It's all tracked automatically in your dashboard, so you can monitor your referrals, watch your earnings grow, and see exactly how your referrals are trading in real time. Commissions are paid out in the first week of every month, straight to your nominated account. At UpTrade, referrals are designed to deliver value to everyone. Your network gains a secure, trusted brokerage, and you earn ongoing commissions backed by expert support every step of the way. Apply to join the partner program today. UpTrade, your expert crypto broker.